Mag-overnight kami. Sinutong ko nga nag-shake out of impulse kasi may naiisip. Mga naubos ang social battery.
Float lang kailangan. Makakasak ulit ng
Ang ingay mo ito. Ipapost ko. Lalagyan natin ng toot.
Oo. I-sensor mo to. Ang laki ng putang. Ang titig ko putang. Sarap. Tigang na ako putang. I just got home kanina. Tapos, I kinda like to do a cover song kasi I think if matutuloy. But yeah, hindi ako nakapag-video kanina. I may have took a video pero puro portrait. And like, parang ayun na nga. But yeah, I'll make sure to put a lot of videos and context doon sa vlog. So, ayun. Anyways, we got there around 4. And then, like, pagpasok namin, picture here, picture there. Tapos, we even got to, nagpa-pool kami kay Mavuika. Yeah, we found a Mavuika cosplayer. Syempre, we took a picture. And then like, yeah, we asked her to like pull on my account for Mavuika, and oh my god, nakuha ko siya. I'm so happy. I'm very, very, very happy. Tapos like, there was also, ang dami nangyari. I even bought some stickers. Wait lang. Let me find it. So, ito siya. Hala! It got ruined, the packaging. But yeah, ito siya. This is what I got for this year's Annie Fair. Wait, let's open it. Ito siya. Wait. Diba, they look so cute. So, like, ito yung pinaka-boodle of the day ko. I got Jonghan. Kasi this one, hindi ko talaga dapat to bibilhin. But like, I saw that it was the last item. And mahirap makahanap ng keychain. I mean like, meron naman, but the quality is not same as this. At mahirap bumili online, basta-basta. So like, yeah, I got this. And then like, there's this stickers because I'm such a sucker for stickers. So if lalapitan nyo man ako next time, bigyan nyo ako ng stickers. I highly appreciate every single sticker na mapunta sa akin. So like, yeah, I got this for 100 pesos. Sorry, mabilis po ako mabudol sa ganito. And I am a K-pop junkie talaga. So I got the Tume. Nakabaliktad siya. Yeah, I got the Tume and the light stick, as well as the Karat Bong because I'm a huge fan of 17. Sayang hindi lang ako makakapunta sa concert nila next week. Or basta sa January 18, 19. I don't know when will this be posted, but yeah. Sayang hindi ako nakapunta, but my friend vouched for me para sa fan cams ni S-Scoops at saka ni D8. Ang dami nang hinayang actually na hindi ako pupunta, pero sabi ko it's fine kasi wala si Jonghan doon, and I'm sure that the others will be enlisted. So like, ano na lang, parang balik na lang ako, sama na lang ako doon kapag kumpleto na sila. And then ito, another one Karat. So if you like to buy some anik-aniks and stickers, follow nyo to Big Kids Corner. Yeah. So, ayun. Gusto ko pa sana pumunta sa day 2, but I'm actually moving places. So like, yeah. Ayun, I cannot attend Annie Fair Day 2 kasi bukas ang moving day namin. So ito, if you want to be updated sa mga ginagawa ko sa buhay, sige, lagay ko dito ang ano ko, usernames ko. Kaya, tapos, ayan, pero ayun, I feel like I'll be taking some home photo shoots muna before I wash up and sleep because it's like 11 in the evening. Let's take a picture pala. So, ayun. Yeah, it's really late in the evening. By the way, I think like I might do a New Year's resolution type. I think that's all for now. Nagdagdag lang talaga ako ng mga eme at saka nagsalita lang ako para mas magka-video magka-content pa, because like I really didn't do some bunch of videos kanina kasi like palubat na ako, and yeah, picture here, picture there. So yeah, I think that's all. Bye.